This is problem 13, and it's pretty much like number 13 in the book, just some different numbers. In this problem, we're asked to find the values of x, y, z, u, v, w, so the variables x, y, z, and then the slack variables u, v, w, and then the value of m, whether that's a max or a min. Let's look down these columns. In this column here, the x column, we see we have a 1 and all zeros, so we can actually get this value. So what we can see here is that 1x is 10, so we can fill that in. X is 10. And as we look down the y column, we don't have a 1 and all zeros, so we have to conclude now that y is 0. And as we look down the z column, we see we have a 1 and the rest are 0, so we can get the value of z. Z is 15, so we'll put that in. Then, as we look down the u column, that slack variable u, we have a 1 and zeros everywhere else, so we can get the value of u, which is 23. And as we look down the v column, we see a 1 here, but not zeros everywhere else. We don't have a 1 in all zeros, so the best we can do with the value of v then is write it as 0. And for w, when we go to the w column, we do not have a 1 in all zeros, so again we're going to conclude that w is 0. And then when we look down the m column, now we've got the 1 here, and then the rest of the entries are 0. So we can actually claim now that m is equal to -11.